Malimbe Rebecca Miano kuni Gedo ma kategorok ma Ronald Ngala Utali College madhi nyime vipingo e county ma Kilifi osechopo na tamalo 83 kanoloso bang' timo limbe jatelo no koni kategorokno mageto weche mag hotel kod sekta mar limbe biro mwonyo omenda mar shillings billion 8.5 okoni gin kod geno ni chenro mokwongo mag Gedo no biro rumo dwe mar Ang'wen higa manyien kendo jopuonjre mar 3,000 biro yudo thuolo mar chako tiegre kanyo ma itimore bang' ywaruok bedo wi wach Gedo no mosekawo thuolo mar higni 14 kuma mane jatend migawo mar limbe Najib Balala ne otudi gi weche mag mibadhi e wi Gedo no.
The project is about 83% complete as we stand here today, and we hope the remaining 17% will be finalized by maybe April at the outer limits. This project has the training halls, it has a modern kitchen, it has accommodation, the hostels for students, it has demo centers, it has staff quarters for the teachers and the trainers. And when it is fully complete, we will be admitting 3,000 students at a go per cohort. And so you can imagine the amount of training that we will have to place Kenya as the best in terms of training, hospitality training in the region. Of course, availability of resources when you have very constrained fiscal spaces in the country, but the board has a good plan to kickstart that towards the finishing line.